going to talk to you about QR codes.
Yeah. Y'all have, how many of y'all have a device like an iPhone that you know you can read a barcode or a QR code? Okay. If you do, we're going to scan those cards at some point that you have in your hand. So you're welcome to, if you like, you can scan them now.
What a QR code is, it's like when you go to the grocery store and scan a barcode. A QR code is like that, but better, because a barcode is just horizontal. A QR code is horizontal and vertical. So as Scott showed you with that picture.
And they each have one too.
Right, and the ones you have in front of you, it goes vertically and horizontally. So it's going to be able to embed more information. So it can embed, link out to a URL, to a picture, to a website. So you can do a lot more with a QR code. So if we can just go here, you can, it's also known as a 2D barcode, quick response barcodes, or mobile tagging. So there's a lot more that one can do with such a QR code.
Okay, so our next activity is to turn to someone near you and discuss ways that you might envision using QR codes, which you could embed in your syllabus or print with your syllabus.
So all this is because I have no idea.
To give them a brief synopsis of what we talking about.
Getting down through the concept.
You gotta go on, you gotta find this.
Although,
If you get that iPad, I will.
We go, okay. All right.
Did anyone have an idea for QR codes that we didn't cover that you guys, when you brainstormed? Because Helga or Faith?
To save some space on your, I mean, it wasn't my idea, it was your idea, on your syllabus, and have the links, on your syllabus open up for, say, what, plagiarism or academic honesty, or, is that what you were saying?
So look at those typical, sort of the standardized ones that we are required to put in the syllabus.
Yep. They could scan it, they could watch it, because I'd really like to be standing there giving them that direction. But I can't. I've got 5 different stations going all at the same time. They'd scan it, look at it, and go on. They'd get a text response like, y'all did one, you get an extra raffle ticket, good job. Phone numbers, I have one up here with my phone number. It could generate a text message, so all you'd have to do is say, okay, type in a message and it'd send it to me, rather than me having to say, my number is, or send a text message to here, a B card, so you can put it on your card, and actually it would bring up, in my phone, it brings up all my information, and I can say add to my contacts, rather than having to type that into your phone, which is, how handy is that? Geolocation, so you can say, if you want to go, take me to the Henry Madden Library, and you scan it, you're across campus, you scan it, and type get directions, and it'll take you right there. And then Wi-Fi logins, I thought that was handy. Then taking Kurt Bunk to the hotel yesterday, he actually got login information that they wrote down for him so he could use his laptop in the lobby, and it would have been nice if he could just scan the code and it would give him the login and password right there. Okay, I don't think we have time to watch that video, right? But this is an example. That's a link to the Henry Madden student interview video, which we're going to watch just before, at the end of lunch today. But can you imagine telling somebody this URL? I mean, we've got bit.ly and tiny URL and all that stuff, but still they're complicated to type into a phone. Isn't it nice to be able to have something like that you could do that? This is an example. They've got, Monica has embedded on the website, the Henry Madden Library website, that can take you to this costume history LibGuide, which are library guides they created this.
So if you are going to do this and you're going to develop this code, how do you get that code to put on your syllabus?
That's where you go, it's right there. See those links right there?
Okay.
Those will actually take you, for example, I'll show you a very simple one here. It's a QR code generator. And if you Google QR code generator, you're set. Let's say I wanted to give you my phone number in a QR code. I just would type 2782543, generate that barcode, boom. That's what my phone number looks like as a QR code.
Well, you want them to be in black and white. Don't get carried away and do them in color.
Yep. Not a lot, yeah, you want a lot of contrast. So the links here will be there, qrcode.kawa .com is a real easy one. It doesn't have as many options as some of these others. Monica collected some really good resources for you here on this site. I don't know, I wonder what that barcode tells you there, or that QR
They
code.
got it on the pipe, and then here a lot of artists are using QR codes and poets, so I think for the humanities people, there's a lot of potential. So for example, the one, I just have to pop in and say it, in Brooklyn, they put QR codes throughout the city, and then you just, when you see the QR code, you click on it and then write blog about poetry, because it's a poetry movement. So I think that has potentials for art hop and things like that in the city. So anyway, Scott and I
Is
did
that our
want to get-
t-shirt?
That was our t-shirt.
Monica wanted us to get t-shirts, but I didn't know that we
And
could pull
temporary
it off in
tattoos,
time.
but
So, anyway.
But also, if anyone's interested in follow-up, you can come to our service desk up here, and both Omcar and Worth can help you.